much for myself, just some chicken curry. I'm gonna put some veggies inside though. Yeah. And some almost like a roti or a wrap. Cilantro inside my wraps. Here's the cilantro. And some chicken curry.